G'day everyone. We got spud growth. So potatoes have actually sprouted. And I struggle with potatoes, I don't know why. But I've got a couple of different varieties here. I think we have Prince of Orange and one of the red ones. I can't remember exactly which red one. But they come through and some are getting a bit tall. So what we now need to do is top them up. We're going to top them up roughly to the level of the trees. And to do so, we just chuck in that's a pot mix. We will recruit this pot mix as well and revitalise it. And we're just going to cover them up to where the shoots are coming out around the smallest ones. So this one I've just filled in, and you'll see the smallest shoots are just still popping out the top. Now I don't want to fill it in any more than that, or I may kill off those shoots. And I think that's what I've done in the past, is once they've sprouted, I've just covered them completely, and the potatoes have died from that. I'm going to go along and do each of these. You can see there's a couple come up in there. And if we look down that row, there's more there. And I'm just going to fill up a little bit until those tops are just popping out. I put roughly 4 sweet potatoes in each one. So I'm hoping I'm getting 4 shoots out of each one, but I'm not. This one you can see is just starting to come through. We've got 1 there, 2 there, 3 there, 4 there. So they've probably all come up. But I don't really want to fill this one in yet until these ones get a bit bigger. And we've got the same issue here. We've got one big one and lots of small ones. So we'll just do a couple of these, top them up, and we'll see how we get on. There's another over here that we'll have to do, and I'll clean up my volunteer tomato as well, which is pretty much kaput now. So there we have it. 2 types of potato in 7 bags. I don't know, that was 7 bags. Doesn't matter, but 7 bags anyway. Hopefully I'll get something this year. Is it the felt tubs that caused me the problem? Is it my neglect of the potato that causes the problem? If you've got any hints, please let me know, because I really haven't had a lot of luck growing potatoes. I'll finish these off and we'll see how it goes. Enjoy life. I'll catch you in a spud patch.